Hello, today we are in Lab 15.1 Network Sandbox, and this lab is an open environment or sandbox where you can experiment with various network devices and computers. You can access the device from the toolbar to create different network configuration. This table provides additional information regarding the pre-configured settings. And yeah, okay, so we have all the details that we need for these settings here. All the details are needed for the setting here. So let's go ahead, in the absence of any other thing, let's go ahead and start lab. So go to comp1 here, and then launch Windows. So go to Start menu, Start, and we see what I was selecting here. Let's go to Device Manager. So under Device Manager, let's expand this, and what are we working on here? Processing keyboards and standard. Let's see. Let's see. ACL Radeon update the driver. Disable, we cannot install. So let's see what we can do here. Scan for hardware changes. Let's update driver. So we can just update this driver, search for driver online. This is going to search for the updated driver online, but this appears to be updated already. So let's go to floppy disk and update the driver. Search automatically and see if there are no drivers available, but fortunately driver is up to date, so we just can also disable the driver. So let's confirm device on install. Let's go to mice and other pointing devices and internet adapters, properties, advanced, driver details. Okay. Okay, so I guess we're done for this lab. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.